Steve Robertson here from Muddy River Ag. Here with Peter Roberts from Ridgehaven Poll Dorsets, started at Cudal in New South Wales. I was just going to ask Peter a few questions about his Horsch Avatar 6 metre drill that he's just purchased. Thanks, Peter. Thanks for your time. Mate, just a couple of things about the farm in particular, just about your farming operation and then the main factors in that buying decision, Peter.
Yeah, righto. Thanks, Robbo. And so we're primarily a Poll Dorset stud. With stud ewes, we run about 1,000 breeding ewes and sell about 350 to 450 rams a year. We crop about probably about 2,500 acres on an entire operation of about 5,500 acres. So we're spread from Cudal in the central west in the orange out to the other side of Forbes, and so we've got four properties that we farm, and primarily we're a busy business, we don't have a lot of time, so when we came to buying a machine it needed to be able to be transportable. So yeah, our ability to be able to move a machine by ourselves was paramount to our decision.
Yeah, so that 3 metre transport width is gold. You got brakes on this machine as well?
Yeah, got hydraulic
brakes on it.
And unfortunately I've had to use them. So yeah, she definitely pulls up.
Yeah, no, that's good. So we just had a look at some canola and wheat that you planted. Just give us a bit of a rundown on that, what your theory is there with planting those two together.
Yeah, so we're a forage business. We all want to strip 3 tonne of canola at the end of spring. We want to strip 5 tonne of wheat, but the reality is for us, if we can't graze it, it's not really worth us putting in. So yeah, we sow canola and wheat in the one paddock. This machine with the selective hosing on it allows us to do that alternate row. So the front gang can be sowing wheat, back gang can be sowing canola. Allows us to get our depth, Mickey Mouse. Yeah, the whole idea of the canola wheat really is Hedge His Bets. We come in, it's 970 canola sown at 3 kilos with 50 kilos of manning wheat. They're all long season. We want to make a decision in August, not now, when we are in. So we sowed that in February, 3rd week of February dry. We don't know what the spring's going to be in February, but I know that I'm going to eat it, and I'll make that decision in August, whether I spray the wheat out or I spray the canola out. Or I put it in a bale, or I continue to graze it out. I can't make the decision in February what spring will give me, so it's a great way of hedging my bets.
And that selective hosing certainly helps.
Yeah, the selective hosing is the only way I could do it.
And the germination looks pretty good.
Germination's really good.
And the Avatar, like the maintenance on this, Peter, what have you found there is no maintenance on the row units as such. There's no grease nipples, which is a good thing for a disc machine.
It's magic. There's no maintenance. I won't say that I'm tardy, but I'm not the best on maintenance. But the machine definitely helps us there in the fact that we can get in and go.
And we had a play the other day with this machine in some cover crop. Can you just explain the trash flow capabilities of the machine?
Yeah, so we got asked by one of the blokes I know that has been doing a bit of summer crop, looking to increase his organic matter in his soil, and he had some forage sorghum that was ungrazed at about 1.5 metres. He knew the chances of him getting through with his flexi-coil time machine were probably pretty limited. So he asked us to go down and just give our machine a go. Yeah, and she flew through at 12.5 to 13 k's an hour. Really nice seed placement through the sorghum. Left quite a bit of the sorghum standing, but yeah, kind of really impressed me with its trash flow ability.
And the calibration, it was funny because we were calibrating there with a couple of different rollers, and it was quite easy to do. But can you just explain that?
Yeah, so the machine's built on really on density. So how dense the product doesn't really matter what type of product it is. So yeah, in that circumstance, when we're sowing into that sorghum, so we're sowing chickpeas and wheat, but it takes about 10 minutes to calibrate the box. So it's really nice and easy, really quite accurate. it's probably the easiest machine that I've calibrated. Yeah, the versatility of the machine is the reason why we're really impressed with it. We can do lots of different things quite quickly and quite easily.